December 7 na Ghana this year to Saturday ekon nekam koto aba
ne ka na da hodo
promises are NDC aban edema Ghana for nya hotoso de koto aba boom edema NDC aban no wo bisame afinie who tense ye
hey President Mahama
John yesterday John today John tomorrow
ne ka na da hodo but me nsro
akwara John yesterday John today John tomorrow
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
ayetiawa
no
ayebube ane tibe
no
John yesterday John today John tomorrow still John
no bada ho brutal
dinin sisan e meye Paul still John
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
ayeye mampayini no a ye nim ne dada no a wobeye vice president wobedi mampayini wakoye wosan ba ye na wase bedi mampayini no wono anu no wonsesa ye nti 1 year on no ubisame a akwaba eye osu ni avreho ni abenesie
ne ka na da hodo
eno my Ghana de hyenamu
ne ka na da hodo
anya MPP fo nko a NDC fo su
but me nsro
se wo pay NDC fo na no amo trase na no amo di nkomo omo koma se ma obesu why na babontin me ka se chairman be kronu reference yin chairman ne babontin ya reference yin Ashanti region chairman obeka se amanfo gunu so pa adwuma aban ne ba ye wo promise 3 shifts e ma ye enti da bia wo gina office because aban ne dia za kontompo damrama ana baji akunwa no na ya se sa yansu hene na afoso na wo hye ahincha sa ngwase we neba
ne ka na da hodo
abani bano wayani o ya titi abetie no na ne cha no
ne ka na da hodo
afi ba kwekọ
ne ka na da hodo
ye wie 2026 asa amu kwayi amu presidential primaries wie nipa obeba out no wogina mu wie pe mampayi John Dramani Mahama ni tumi asa
etumpan
apede na ashase
etumpan
obi apre hanya mena make out NDC chairman wono a chairman no a wose waye ni amanfo a wokọ mo nkyɛn ni omo kasa ye Ghana fo anya hotoso wa NDC ba mu mampayi John Dramani Mahama mu omo nsago omo ti omo su mao omo su bakasa me hahamani ba ente chairman nemra anya me na meka ti chairman no nemra sisi a NDC chairman nya me
know that looking at the campaign that we did last elections, they did very, very well. They used their energy, their money, their resource, everything. And you know that when you work for somebody and the person wins power, you have to compensate the person. And there's a lot of pressure on me. You know, this is the first time that Ashanti region has gotten 34% in the national elections. And we are able to get 7 MPs. So everybody is demanding. But as we all know, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has done very well for this region in terms of appointment.
Chairman Nakwasi Andrews Nana Kwasi Asantumantamu NDC chairman. Why yani wasi amanfo jinane so amanfo su. Promise by NDC abande by. Wasi adwuma baako nipa miensa na beye. So by extension teacher ni baako a wo kire basic school. You can't basic no from KG P6 Aircore Junior High. You benya teacher for miensa. Enti baako ya adwuma 8 hours. This one kwa bruchire no apon na ba kwa ba wa be 8 hours no apon na ba kwa ba wa be 8 hours no apon abodam sem we NDC aban ka kire yen
hey na mpanyinfo to me twa trouser mpanyinfo so to me twa trouser
akwa we abodam sem
Hey.
bagana fo bi je saade we atumu enante pan kotim mama pan John Dramani Mahama
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no.
na me se sa nipa no munim nana
hey
munsuro mampan John Dramani Mahama na wano ase wontimi take decision man ho
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
my first school dita book was na ni jani se obekọ disco yare nsa mesa jankuje ombo musisi na wo hwe anya me na me kan wano my first school dita book
Hey. Hey.
zobra zonyom mi slolo ye zobrebo
Yeah.
obedi afọ ojumam
Hey. You are my.
akwaba de osre ye kan di brisem
Yeah.
e kom de amanfo
Yeah.
na yenya Ghana fo binom no manante hey jama ama ne pe
say anya o te ba na bi ni mpansa
1 year den ehu bibia nsesan akwaba 1 year ni ana wo kwoto dokono a MPP aban tie akonya so na ye ton of 5 Ghana cedis 2024 bibia nsesan ana ye ton dokono no 7 Ghana cedis
Hey. You are Mahama.
dokuna obenya no 5 Ghana cedis no quantum yaka quantum a ne kase no eso ate nti ya mo dokuna ne ketwa bi milo yatum milk yatum bodia ba yira ade bia yatutum omo wia no mo dwane abeka kire nse single digit inflation
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no.
inflation about 6%.
hey
Paperwork.
hey
And then me can say me chiro. So this a bodani nkoa no woska. Wade be sham passe ni apam the best school fees. Na ne be su, na ne be pa aduane yokugare.
Evidence
E
foolishness.
di na wonya sika ento bi ni.
Evidence.
Ne papa
Evidence.
ne ma me so mu sika.
Evidence foolishness. It is foolishness.
Now when you're
I
bothered-
did you.
Akwaba
Evidence foolishness. It is foolishness.
fa
I
kami
did
o. Wabusu amfa nchame. Na abusu si e wo sika akokraba, abusu wo sika dan ma. Na kodru krom su humu asense wamu suhum na afrimbo nse wam na kodru nye prison so entu kodru dunkwa ofen se wam na sabe wo maame so wo sika wo papa so wo sika ne wo he a wontimi nyimpie na wo su a
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
ban boni beni
Evidence foolishness. It is foolishness. I did you.
yenya paperwork yemfa nkire wiase nyina se Ghana yeni agio yesiro Ghana ye koyi o na wo mesu
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo.
gentility outside home cry. Gentility outside home cry. What dress champagne abonten na wa bo spray u twema se crash ni o u coffee ade obedi kura wuni wa bodam
Evidence foolishness. It is foolishness. I did you.
and 1 year no promises are abandoned the buyer no wontimi ni so
Etumpan.
nurse for abandon catch no teacher for catch no say automatic posting
Way boy.
ye ka automatic posting na me ma kira de pen ye kira de no ye wie training college ache ye si mu acha mane ma ne ntie enkoye na nka wie school no a no wo ba hwani ade watoa wan DA primary school wan RC primary school wan Methodist primary school ni ade wato enya wo na wo kwapre wo besu wo betena fie
ana papa dia na o kan ko si
aban so betimi aye NDC aban
Way.
anase for no wie school dan akosi
Way boy.
abani say want to be finance for want to be for teacher for because he can ho
say anya
akwaba say wo papa ka kire wo say ya me pe practical work and I want to be more mame akonhuma
hey
ni botom nye
hey
na abakọ akoto papa bia ba wo we crop ye friend crop no friend crab on ye friend crop
My good the whole clear man. No man sa.
wo we crop be yansia tintinga be edu egu preti so watwene me no abeka kire wo say want to be more akonhuma wo fie because can fie a wo papa wabodam
My good the whole clear man. No man sa man. No man say. My good the whole.
sika na wode we crop no Krobunsia, and Kibabo, no, obey me back on Maufi. I'm a mate to me, did
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness.
I bet this is top presidential jet. $60 million.
Hey.
No one for Tinama could carry a big so.
Hey. Yera Mahama.
One in the Nebada Sharif was a one. Sharaf. And I Sharaf.
Hey, President Mahama.
Sharaf.
Hey, President
Mahama.
Hey, President Mahama.
Oh, top presidential jet. None is Sharaf for Quatrim. No, my Quajomani. Umbe Jari. Kitchen womb. Biaba womb. Bibia womb.
Hey.
By teacher Ninwa. Who no know where we are school noir. War pet to my yen. I buy this mean to me forward room. Sikenho. But I buy no tears. Yes, as a top presidential jet. Edemano. No comfort in here. No.
Hey, Yera Mahama.
The ordinary Ghanaian comfort in one, you know.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
It's a total bit of who a man for no more yes and dirty politics. No, Yana, a mystery.
Oma bona ye kasa omunten.
Was NDC spectacle.
The car that hodo.
And to whom no crown, won't Timinka and NDC for air by an abba. Oh, who chill? Mobrawa.
Oh, the whole bad.
Mampa top presidential jet.
Oma bona ye kasa omunten.
Arab for jetty be Arab for the whiskapa. Omudi ebi no akotenam, none in the bash Sharaf. Omako Gare.
Hey.
Amako Jomani. And Farida. And say the Baba Kefem Farida. Ona Bubodino. The Baba Kosu de Farida. Farida Betram. Sarafu Betram. Nabisa on se Bukari out to Domu Betrambi.
Hey, President Mahama. Hey, Yera Mahama.
Akraba way simple.
Oma bona ye kasa omunten.
Bukari wadom yo NDC nyo Betrambiana. Manu watinzonzo mia. Bono wabetrambi. Kwajo pong. Swami enote. Farida for no. Presidential jet no betrambiana.
Who straight out the year at Bama?
Obabia school. About to this county minfano.
Who straight out the year at Bama?
But about the top presidential jet. No ne Farida and a Sharaf no Makotrim.
Hey,
Are we sick?
hey, Yera Mahama.
Are we sick?
Hey, President Mahama.
Ndiem peja ya dwen ne kakra yem peja ba ne kakra.
The car that hodo.
Zomo koto. Mampa yinsi okoto a woni hwan. Because agenda ne say wo be control wo man no wo be nya veto power.
The car that hodo. But mean so.
Waka finito.
But mean so.
Okita executive powers. And now wo man yim na sebjafia wo control man yim na sebjafia because speaker Aban Somana Babin wo NDC ni.
Hey.
No kwa no pejo mama asem.
Hey,
Akwaba me na me ka kire wo.
The car that hodo.
Aban Somana Babin. Now one person John Dramani Mahama kwa bedi mampayini. Wo NDC ni so. Say wo control o man yim emra sebjafia. Judiciary Atem Wajumano, Chief Justice were appointed for Paul Bafu Bonnie.
Hey.
Well, they are judges for court, High Court to them, Appeals Court to them, Supreme Court to them. MPP are buying Tia Kunyaso, Supreme Court judges me and Sakeke was here, Abruso, and MPP person control court to know will be anti carry. MPP are buying per se, one uncoan and yes, I victor power no, Bisa John Dramani Mahama say, and now judge for no Domco Supreme Court, Appeals Court, High Court no. Trimponi Eding.
Hey, now penny for to be Jack Rosa. In penny forcing to meet Jack Rosa.
Antia yenya sa bodam ni bia wano ti achim asuom bekeka sam kurasesam say I think John Mahama as a man third time or your bodani
Oma bona ye kasa omunten.
adwene nye
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness. And yet them did you.
anya kronti hinu hute woni hini bia wo sa achim asum ho ye tuna dia so wabodam Babon timba ya za trikese mamin kasem gum na MPP for mobile ni panum omo ya sankwase and I think say ye mama mpai 10 bida ebe wo ya bodam sam
But I mean, so if it is foolishness, it is foolishness. I got him, did you?
Sama no wo achima suom ha wabodam.
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness.
Akwaba mesu wabodam.
But I mean, so. But I mean,
so
Canada, hold. But I mean, so.
Abusia phone kwa psychiatric doctor ho. Psychiatric doctor. No hwehwe na dwene mu.
Ne Canada, hold.
I'm passing. I'm some moja yenefe. Benin. Last week Sunday, then I see what. A baby pimamwa. Baby Alba man for sorry, soldier for sorry, ya kwajema na boso, yeni ya control mano, aye baby a. Mampanyi braso no noa pese, wasisa mrano, no peso sign twaso.
Ana papa dia no ka no kunu sei.
Umre so akọ.
Ana papa dia no ka no kunu sei.
Anyo nkwan ni nyansafo okurum ha.
Ye bomwa no kre ne dikan. Etumpan.
Na wotwe esi ye.
107.3.
Asase pono no.
Akwaba na wotwe mu nkomo ne di time ne ko. Papa.
107.3.
Akwaba na wotwe ya nyabota na wotwe ya lithium deal ebaye. Ye kan lithium a de se gold a ye too free for me. But dem friend gold. We are berwa ya kokrati me friend lithium.
Hey.
The value no enuru gold. Ye kan value a sika wom no enuru gold sika. But no sika wom. Lithium no omo de ye sa chargers no bi. Car battery. Any mobile phone chargers ni hwan lithium no ene de ye. E brand pipi aban eti akonwa so no aban na dwini mu company bi ba se omo hu lithium Ghana omo peso mu betu. MPP aban hu se da bi baabi a mu betu lithium no ye wo nipa wo ho o ma saase na mo kosai no
adwin kase so da ya adwin keto antiase
wo man no a mu betu lithium afrim no man ne ye ho kire yen enti ya ma ya manfo ho nkire mo. Charity begins at home.
I ask you to be citizen.
Emma mu mefa lithium ni sika nko
adwin kase so
enti ye beti asia mo betu lithium no a enhihye ye da honi enhihye ba ko royalties ye kan royalties a ti se gold aye tui Anglo Gold Ashanti any companies akese o mutu gold wo Ghana no o ma royalties gold no mutu no o mo ma ye mfaso ewo mu enti no mutu wi a o mo percentage o ha mu chichemu bi a o mo de o ma o man no a mutu gold na free mu enti lithium no royalties anke benya no aye 10%. MPP aban di oye no community no a brano no a ye to sa lithium na free mu no ye be mo 1%. Na yanom mo so mu die ne monye assembly members mu die ne kuruma for den na mo pe makwan na enye mo mfantwa ensuo nye galamse NDC aban bone ya betena konwa sunsu asai mo mfa ma musuo anintene.
Ana papa dia no ka no kunu sei.
Your free carried interest of 13%. For mobile for calculator no. Akwaba me kana ka wan check kra me wie ya da pa.
Ana papa dia no ka no kunu sei.
Royalty say 10%.
Say anya o te ba ne bi.
Ohamu chichemudu. Community no a ye kwotu sa lithium na free mu no ye mom 1%.
Say anya o te ba ne bi ni mpa.
Because I never be tutu gold nyina no kuro na time. Me kwa achimwonji
Etumpan.
see to go do ho kron tantan kwanye from down to achimwanchi akwaba do sabeguti anso to go do ho
Hey.
baby e to good kroni develop here
Hey.
because royalty say kromafo ni nya wo man nya na yetimidi siesie kuro no NDC abambo ne person mu disika no go mbotom.
Hey, President Mahama.
Anti community no 1%.
Hey.
Minerals Income Investment Fund.
Hey.
MIF. And so you benya 6% at the free mu.
Etumpan.
Yemia yo. NDC abamba omusi wenyina no yempa akwaba waka kriteria enti 10% of royalties community na mutu no 1% MIF Minerals Income Investment Fund 6% free carried interest 13%. It's 10 plus 1 plus 6 plus 13. Yanya master examine me by a massimo. I say 30%.
Hey!
And this about yeah.
Hey, President Mahama.
Tio, about money.
Hey!
Was he a nya?
Hey! You're a Mahama.
Omantiasi and Omantiasi China.
Oma Bono Hene kasa omunten.
And this ya banwa kofie magana for to abama omo baya. The same company akraba udin sisaye work akraba ya na me no ye di one mase aba unchen and this ya ban ko ya akraba se mema 5% o si ye pay ye dem ase
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
interest in ye den.
Hey,
That means that who the obenya free mu won nyene Ghana for ho.
Wow.
So you are fighting for 5%.
Wow.
Or be fighting for almost 30%. Who say nye? Who the any community the any free? Yenye mef in free mu. Yenye free carried interest of 13% in kura free mu. Vate mai 10% to kura. Who say nye? Now what the you buy 5% in the who see mo.
Adwin kase so da ya adwin keto antiase.
And no more who say Ghana for some bokro no. Some are redraw.
Oma Bono Hene kasa omunten.
I didn't man 5%.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Ama Kofibwa, and your friend saying, Ama Kofibwa, last minister, Bizanza, 5% no, they say they bill no other time Wama withdraw from parliament.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
Come on, trust you, 5% no.
I think on this point he has
Namu more Ghana
misbehaved.
for more selfish and parochial interest. Mon Ghana for home.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
Lithium deal. Now what you buy? Akraba. Tam no. I'm more pandan free ho.
Ye bomwa.
Tam ni edia. Call us neighbor. Mamenti pandai papa. Now what you pandai? Speaker. What declare seat no vacant. What truck attack on my easy.
Hey!
Say I'm rerun.
Wait.
30th December.
Wait.
This year we are.
Wait. Boy.
And Speaker, I respect him a lot. A learned lawyer. Obi a wasum o man imra se bidjafia che. Open crofo matro man imra se bidjafia che o munim. O man imra se bidjafia sempa. Wontimi nkan nipa mienu miensa. Speaker, abanso mana babin. Ne dimbam. Menim se ba bi owo bia no decision no take ye no apem no.
Ne kan na da ho do.
Na o say Ghana ya twene wo form too much. Wo bi di na sema kokot. O ya Ghana ne atim ya me penkomo a ye fie nkobo.
But me insro.
Producer say kan brofo na chichirim brofo na men chichirim brofo. Me kan twi. Ye kasa no.
Ana pɛ de ara na ɔka no kuri si.
Wo bi di na sema kokot se na tali fita ayira. Ya hwe atari fita ma no. Wo koduru ho no. Wano judge no a made me maka tro some atari fita. Wo so ye ene watari ye rubi iraye, watari green iraye, ash iraye. Mame ko hwe ni nyina mrew.
Hey!
Come on.
Hey!
Nipa say 41 polling stations. I know what issue ho. I know what challenge. And today ne beba be ka say yen kwa ye whole rerun. That is why Reverend in team for job ka say NDC for ni yesika.
Ne kan na da ho do.
About by elections are.
Ne kan na da ho do.
Eye avenue for them to loot. They take advantage of the situation to milk the country.
Hey,
Yeah, kwaya rerun. Bambo for 38 million wa. Or say 38 million. 38 million Ghana cedis. Bambo for me wa won kra wo fie nkra no se be untimi for madwum. Uni skad be twan krofoka.
I think on
But
this
we betima use 38 million Ghana cedis for security nkwa easy for the be spending my.
I think on this
for
point.
rerun.
I think on this point.
Are
he
you
has
serious?
misbehaved.
Na kroma for no kra ka kira wo say papa no an ye pe no. South 41 polling stations, no. You come on near the voice in your NDC peace in Kruntimi winning.
Ye bomwa no krene dikan.
Honorable Martin in them will be to over 3,000 votes.
Kukurudu.
Are there any breno? baifuo nko na ni nso ade
Oh, the whole bed, the whole
akoba nipa na ni nso ade baifuo
Hey,
wo ye ne papa kra na ose wo
Hey,
NDC aban no
hey.
o se tin me pa cho din ba bi ate en kafri
Hello. Bohe, within the Awanane.
afa ana ne
The Catholic Tama.
ajama min cho fitama
Yo, Minkutana Bohe. And Master Winhard say, NDC, the way near the Papa Bia the Bowman Gano. NDC, when you be a two president, you know. It's a president here, or two cap, or kind of crack, I cannot can. And talk, I ask some papa. Into a comma in a Ghana for ever to about Kaya, when you Kaya, Oyanti, said the Akobama, the Amompire and MPP for Enka and whom.
me da say